Effects of radiation on living matter. Prolonged exposure to radiation often has detrimental effects on living matter. This is due to radiation's ionizing ability, which can damage the internal functioning of cells. Radiation either ionizes or excites atoms or molecules in living cells, leading to the dissociation of molecules within an organism. The most destructive effect of radiation has on living matter is ionizing radiation on DNA. Damaged DNA can cause cellular death, mutagenesis, and genetic transformation. Effects from exposure to radiation include leukemia, birth defects, and many forms of cancer. Alpha, beta, and gamma rays also cause damage to living matter in varying degrees. Alpha particles have a very small absorption range and thus are usually not harmful to life unless ingested due to its high ionizing power. Beta particles are also damaging to DNA and therefore are often used in radiation therapy to mutate and kill cancer cells. Gamma rays are often considered the most dangerous type of radiation to living matter. They have large penetrating range and can diffuse through many cells before dissipating, causing widespread damage such as radiation sickness. Because gamma rays have such high penetrating power and can damage living cells to a great extent, they are often used in radiation, a process used to kill living organisms. The effective radiation rate of ionizing radiation is also very important one. A dose of radiation that given over a longer period of time at a lower rate induces only 1 by 4th of the number of received point mutation in oocytes and spermatozoa as the same dose given all at once. This is probably the action of repair enzymes. Therefore, it should be remembered that extended exposure at a lower dose rate is considerably less dangerous to human beings than a brief exposure with a high dose rate. Actually, from a genetical point of view, there is no safe dose of ionizing radiation. Dose rate is the dose delivered per unit time. The ionizing radiation produces a variety of DNA lesions, among them double-strand breaks considered to be the major one responsible for cell death. If unpaired or improperly repaired, DNA strand breaks, either single-strand breaks or double-strand breaks, contribute to chromosomal aberrations, which may lead to human disorders including cancer. Application of ionizing radiation in medicine. There is one application that is used in medicine, that is the ionizing radiations can be used for medical applications. It should include the use of X-rays for diagnosing the fractures and also the radioisotopes used in diagnostic imaging. And here you can see some references related to the genetics. The books written by Benjamin A. Peirce, Genetics, a Conceptual Approach, and another book written by Strickberger on genetics. Then Benjamin A. Peirce also written another book, Genetics Essentials, Concepts and Connections. Then you can also refer about the radiation impacts in the Journal of Environmental Radioactivity, published by, just given in the Science Direct group of publications.